Okay, press button M, as you can see, 4 seconds and hold. See the P1, press again M once, OP, so the arrow up, press and hold. Wait for automatic catch the runner. Look, automatic catch the runner, and let's go up the door. We have to wait fully opening. Okay, that's it. So it's fully open. Just now press again M once. You'll see CL. Just now the arrow go down. Press and hold. When it's fully, close it. Wait when it's completely shut the door down. You still can double check everything. When it's closed, you have still maybe 30 seconds to press the button. So just now it's fully shut down, so everything is fine. I'm happy what I see. Press again the button M, just 1 second, press, and automatic will open and close automatically to remember opening and closing position. So that's it. So automatic just now is on a check top point, and just now go automatically down, check bottom point, and that's it. Fitting is done. Use the remote and that's it. Thank you.